The Gliztech solar ceiling fan light is an innovative solution that combines a high-efficiency solar-powered fan with a robust 20,000 mAh battery, ensuring prolonged use for various outdoor settings. This eco-friendly fan reduces electricity costs by utilizing solar energy, providing up to 35 hours of runtime on a full charge, making it perfect for environmentally conscious users. Equipped with a high-quality motor, the fan offers 4 adjustable wind speeds and operates quietly, catering to different cooling needs during hot summer days. The fan's light feature is highly customizable, allowing users to select color temperatures ranging from 3000 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin and adjust brightness levels to create the perfect ambiance. With a 2.4G wireless remote controller, users can effortlessly operate the fan from a distance of up to 25 meters with the convenience of memory functions to save preferred settings. Designed with portability in mind, this fan is easy to install and transport, making it an ideal choice for a wide variety of outdoor scenarios such as patios, gazebos, and camping trips.